So when you get your Luxe mattress shipped out to you, there's going to be 2 pieces for the bolsters. If you have bed risers, you will not need this piece. If you do have bed risers, or if you don't have bed risers, then you'll use both pieces. So prep it, taking off your first piece of Velcro from the nice bolster. Put that aside. This one also has a Velcro piece, so take off as well. Line this guy up. And then this side has a seam. This is the side that's going to be on the inside wall of the van. And there's a seam on this piece as well, so you'll make sure it's sticking on the inside of the van. And then now that's all ready to go inside the van.
All right, if you have a friend or a neighbor, probably not an animal. I don't think your dog would be much help. But definitely
you need some opposable thumbs.
Friend, family member.
Taco.
Technically, you could do it by yourself, but I would recommend with a friend. You're gonna go for the old taco here. Go in between these 2 straps here.
You're gonna want your CA Vans tag sticking out towards the door.
All right. So now to put the bolster in, you're going to need to put your Velcro down first. You can use a measuring tape, or you can use this 2-inch blue tape, because 2 inch is going to be the measurement we're going to be using. So you're just going to take off 3 pieces of your blue painter's tape, 2 inches, or any tape for that matter, or take your measuring tape and measure it. But you're basically just going to come right to the edge of the plastic here, put in your blue tape, 1 over there, 1 right here, and then the final one will be up against this edge. Now you're going to take your piece of Velcro, and you're going to butt it up against all 3 of these pieces of tape to get it right where it needs to be. And you can take your blue tape off. If you have a roller or anything to rub this down, we like to use these rollers here. Really anything. I wouldn't recommend using your hand. It'll burn you. It doesn't feel good. So that's that side. We'll repeat the process over here. Again, 3 pieces of blue tape. Painter's tape, 2 inches thick. Going right up against the edge here. Right up against the edge here. And this one right up against the edge here. Take your Velcro. I like to get about half of it started first, just so I'm not risking it sticking to itself and causing a big problem. Alright, and again, take a roller. If you do have like a screwdriver handle or any of your tool handles, that works too, like this. But if you do have a roller, definitely use that. Alright, now that we've got the Velcro in, we're going to lower the bed, put the main mattress in, and then from the top we'll be able to put our bolsters right where they need to be. On your bolsters, you're gonna notice one is skinnier than the other, one is wider than the other. The wide side goes on the driver.
Skinny on the passenger.
And now that you've got your Velcro right where you want it, you're gonna wanna push your bolster all the way up here and pull it as tightly as you can towards the bed while scooting down, grabbing that Velcro, pushing it in. Same thing with the other side over here. And now you should have a nice tight fit along the mattress and the bolsters. There you have it, the Ultra Luxe mattress install.